So hello guys, uh, I am going to explain about these two topics for the today. First one is how to become a good software engineer, and second is what should your path that you must follow. And because these 2 points is a very important when you are in your graduation. So I am going to tell about uh, something about these points. So first of all, uh, you if you do not watch the last video, then please go to uh, the last video and watch it, and then come to this video, because in the last video I explained about that how the website works, front end, back end, and DB, and I explained these all things. So first uh, watch that video and then come to this video, then you will understand good. Now if you are doing any graduation, okay, uh, with computers related, any course like BTech, BCM, CM Tech, so uh, to become a good software engineer, first uh, you have to follow the two things. First one is the DSA, that is data structure algorithms, and second one is a good project. So DSA is a data structure algorithms. It means questions like you can get from the lead code, GFG, and just try to solve and the practice the lot of DSA question from there, because in the interview, uh, you just interviewer will ask the lot of question from the DSA. So DSA is very important for your placement purpose. But um, uh, you also need to build a project, uh, not project, we can say the good project that that will enhance your possibility to got selection in interview. So good project is the most important. So try to I will recommend you try to build a software with the uh, by the combination of the front end, back end, and the DB. Like you can develop a e-commerce website where a user can order select any product and order any product, and when user ordered, then after the order, all the product will visible on the admin side, and admin can dispatch for the delivery. So that kind of software you can develop with the combination of front end, back end, and the DB, because trust me, uh, it will very helpful for your career when you will sit in the any uh, interview. So it will very beneficial. So that what I am saying. And when I am saying to build a project with the combination of the front end, back end, and the DB, which you can call as the full stack website, which includes the front end, back end, both. So before the building the project, you need to know one full stack technology. So uh, for the simplest technology, I can say you can learn HTML, plus CSS plus JavaScript. These three you can learn for the front end, and these three are universal. Uh, when whatever you technology used, these three are common. So try to learn these three language. HTML is a scripting language, CSS is for the styling, and JS is a programming language. So just try to learn, and after that you can learn Node.js for the backend. It is very simple to learn compared to the Python, Django, and Java Spring. So try to learn the Node.js for the backend, and 1DB, like you can learn MySQL. uh, and when you learned about these all three technologies, then you can build software easily. And that software, just try to deploy on the Firebase, or on the GitHub, and just keep the uh, link of the software in your resume and mention it. So, and if you do not uh, learn about Node.js, then you can follow another technologies like HTML, CSS, HTML, CSS, and JS. These are the universal, but for the backend you can also learn the like Django, Python, Django framework. You have to learn the Python programming language, and then Django framework, and then MySQL. This technology you can also follow the uh, for the development of the software. And there are another technologies like HTML, CSS will be there, and plus Java language, and plus Spring you have to learn, servlet, Spring servlet, and plus the MySQL table. But for the simplicity, I would like to recommend just go with this technology, HTML, CSS, Node.js, MySQL, and build a good software. uh, because if I talk about my interview experience, and as I already told you in my previous video, that I am a software engineer with 1.5 year experience, and currently I am working in a MNC company. So if I talk about my experience in the uh, interview, then my interview was about the 15 minutes, and in which the 10 minutes just about the DSA questions, data structure, and 15 minute, sorry, 5 minute was about my project which I built during my college. So project is the more um, highly important, and when you build a project, then you will understand whole things, that what actually happens behind the software when any user interact with the software, and any user when click on any button, or whatever user do anything, then you can understand whole things, that what happens behind the software. Because these all things need to know. Now, after when I conclude uh, this video, then 2 point is the most important. First, just practice the DSA question, and second, the build the project. Build a project. Okay. Now, in the next video, I'll explain about my journey. because I am a Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer, and I'll explain that how I become a Java full stack developer, and what I studied, uh, what technologies I studied for this Java developer. So I'll explain fully. So thank you for watching this video.